Reforestation of urban areas is very complex, and it is also incredibly important and well worth the effort. My name is Andi Pettis. I am the Senior Director of Horticulture for the Trust for Govenors Island, and I work with a team of 15 horticulturists and landscapers. And as a team, we are entrusted to manage and care for all of the urban forest. Govenors Island is a 172-acre former military base in the middle of New York Harbor. Today, more than half of the world's population lives in cities, and more people are moving to urban areas every day. Urban forests provide so many benefits, including shade, and they cool the air around us. They provide health benefits, exercise, recreation. Here on Govenors Island, we have a tree canopy made up of over 3,500 mature and newly planted trees. And we have estimated that those trees altogether in 1 year sequester 20 metric tons of carbon dioxide from the air. The approach we are taking to planting and managing this public space and gardens and park on Govenors Island is really about planting and caring for biodiversity, providing habitat for wildlife, and hopefully through that mitigating the effects of climate change. My hope is that we will have created a forest here on Govenors Island that all of the people of New York City can enjoy and benefit from in perpetuity. Growing trees and planting trees and taking care of trees in urban areas can be very challenging because of the stark conditions in urban areas. So not only are we dealing with the heat island effect, we also are dealing with very high winds, with salt spray from the harbor.
Hi, I'm Kevin Pace, arborist for the Trust for Govenors Island. We have a big problem with invasive plants out on the island, and we use several methods to deal with them. We will hand pull, or string trim, or brush cutter, depending on the severity and the size of the weeds. We also make sure to mitigate invasive trees using removal methods. Neophytes can get up to 10 feet tall in some cases. The main issue with them is that they tend to outcompete our native plants because they don't have any natural predators or plants that can compete with them. In quickly creating a canopy, this helps to shade out the invasive plants in the understory and makes for a healthier ecosystem. After we plant trees, we make sure to keep them regularly watered as their roots establish. This usually takes for about the first year. Ongoing after that, we monitor them for diseases and keep them pruned properly. Pruning trees is important to correct their structure and mitigate hazard. So in a park where we get thousands of visitors a week, we make sure our visitors have a safe and fun time. We use battery tools to mitigate noise and also ease of use. There's no pull starting, no effort expended there. We have 23 batteries, over 15 different power tools. We tend to charge them on site where we store the tools. We click them in overnight so they're ready to be used the next morning. We're excited for the opportunity to expand our urban forest and proud of the positive impact it has on our visitors and the environment.
There are a lot of things that are really special about Govenors Island, but from my perspective, the most special thing about this island is that it's a place for all New Yorkers to easily get away from the city, the bustle of the city for the day, and really be immersed in nature in an urban environment.